Wag mo ibigay sa SIPDEC kasi magulo yung SIPDEC ang magmamanage. This is for the benefit of the small fishermen, not for SIPDEC. Ba't mo ibibuild sa SIPDEC at ipamamanage mo with SIPDEC? Dapat ikaw ang mag-manage together with the local government. Katulad ng mga fish hatcheries, BIFAR muna nagmamanage first 2 years, tapos tina-turn over na sa local government. Oh, hindi ganyan.
Yes po.
Tigilan mo ako, hindi ako luko-luko. Kaya nga nire-review ko, iho, kasi may dalawang feed mill na finanding nga ng 22 million and another one na finanding nga ng 30 million, wala pang nagbe-benefit. So baka mamaya gumawa tayo ng pangatlong feed mill, ganun din ang mangyari. Yun naman ang, ano naman masama na pag-usapan natin kung ano problema, di ba? Kasi ako, hindi ako magpapasa ng batas na paggagastahin ko gobyerno tapos walang magbe-benefit, di ba? Kaya tinatanong ko sila, ano ba yung nangyari dito sa dalawang feed mill? Hindi to legislation provided only in the budget. Ito kasi legislation na nagbinigyan ng 22 million yung Aurora Baler and yung Tigbawan Iloilo binigyan ng 30 million. Tinatanong ko sila what happened and ano ang naging problema, kasi kung resolvehin natin yung mga problema at i-input natin dito sa bill para wag mangyari na pinondohan natin tong legislation na to tapos hindi naman magbe-benefit ang small farmer. Hindi ba logical yon, di ba?
So, pero kami, committed kami, with Governor Claire Castro and all the agencies that have coastlines, we are really bent on helping the fishermen.
Yeah.
Po sila.
Ito lahat, meron namang coastline to. In fact, ang SIFDEC nasa Iloilo, di ba? Yung SIFDEC na international.
So, po sila sa coast or what? But ang Happis ay talagang
ang magmamanage din ito, andyan yung nag-manage ng Iloilo Ayan, Region 6 kayo
Oo, pero
sila rin ang magmamanage.
Pero ano naman ang di ba? Kung nagtutulungan ng lahat ng probinsya ng Capiz, headed by our Governor Fred Castro. Bakit naman po madadamay po kami sa kanilang inefficiency?
Ganyan
Correct.
Talaga.
I second the motion of Representative Castro sa observation.
Sa kanila.
Pero sa buhay natin dito sa DA, 12 years na ako sa DA, daming ganitong problema. So, wag mo sabihin sa akin na desidido ang probinsya. Pero pag hindi naman desidido yung BIFAR,
ano lang sila dapat tulungan nila kami kasi di ba gobyerno sila, dapat tutulong sila sa amin. Paano pa natin, kailan pa natin ito umpisahan? Pupukpukin na lang natin ulo nila
So, yun lang ang tinatanong ko, what happened to the feed bill in Baler, Quezon? So we will not commit the same mistake. And what happened in the feed mill in Tigbawan, Iloilo? Para if we write a bill, we will correct na yung mga problems na yun. Can we hear from the Regional Director of Region 6 of BIFAR?
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Region 6.
Good morning po, Madam Senator Villar. For BIFAR 6, we had been working with PAPCC or the cooperative as well as the local government unit of Capiz in terms of aquaculture. Yes, ma'am. And also with SIFDEC where there is a feed mill. Okay, so with that, with the requirements of feeds in Region 6, and Capiz being one of the major producing of milkfish, almost 10,900 hectares, they proposed for a feed mill initially. And with the expertise of SIFDEC, we submitted a feasibility study through SIFDEC to BIFAR Central Office. And it is where the 30 million pesos downloaded to BIFA Region 6 for the feed mill in collaboration with SIFDEC. This is now the project we have, and it's almost 90% completed.
In collaboration with SIFDEC.
We collaborated because they have the expertise, ma'am. They have the technology and scaling up the technology for commercialization.
So, pangatlo na to eh. Kailangan nyo pa rin ng SIFDEC, hindi nyo pa alam ang technology.
We still need, ma'am, because they are of research component, and we from the government, BIFAR, and of course we will be working together with the cooperative. And what we need here for the project are infrastructure and production inputs, especially the raw materials to produce feeds. So the capacity of the feed mill in Tigbawan, that's in SIFDEC, is only 5 metric tons per day. While for the proposed bill, which will be legislated soon, hopefully, it's 30 metric tons per day, which can provide around 30% of the feed requirement only of Capiz. So based on our experience, how we construct, because it was downloaded to us, we do the procurement for the construction of the hatchery. And there is counterpart from SIFDEC on other needs in order that we can start up with the implementation, which is due the second quarter of 2025.
Habang busy si chairman, I'm the vice chairman, I will take over. Pwede malaman yung experience ng sino bang RD ng, saan ba yung, ma'am, nag-take over lang ako sandali as your vice chairman. Yung sa Baler, sino bang, ikaw pa rin RD yun? Region 3 ang Baler, di ba?
Yes po.
Ano nangyari ngayon doon?
Ongoing na po ang operations na po niya. Nasa procurement na po kami ng mga feedstuffs and based doon sa mga formulations na we adopted from SIFDEC also. Iba-iba kasing cod protein, and we have already yung Aurora Tilapia Growers Association who will benefit from the about mga 60 farmers po ito. Aside from our fish cages na, meron ako may mga marine cages na rin po sa Aurora.
Ibig sabihin, may production na kayo?
Yes po.
Since when did you start production?
Initially po noong December, nagkaroon na kami ng for feed trial. Kasi meron din po kaming research component. So, meron din po kaming trial doon na nag-establish po yung Provincial Government of Aurora na parang farm. Doon po muna namin tinetest yung ating mga feeds. Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you. Salamat.
Just want to clarify, yung sa Iloilo, sabi nila yung 30 million na binigay sa inyo, binayad nyo lang sa SIFDEC for feasibility study. Wala kayong binild out of that 30 million.
Actually, it's a facility, ma'am. It's already the feed mill itself. The FS, no. The 30 million
kasi
is
ang
for the
sinasabi
feed mill
ng
plant.
committee, nung aralan nila, yung 30 million nyo went to SIFDEC to do the study. Walang binild na facility.
Actually, ma'am, ang sinabi ko kanina, with SIFDEC, nag-come up kami, in collaboration with SIFDEC, nag-come up ng
Study.
Yes, yeah.
O magkano
Feasibility
binayad nyo sa
study.
SIFDEC sa study?
250,000.
So yung 30 million na binigay sa inyo, itatayo nyo ng facility
Natayo na po.
minus yung 250,000. Ano?
Wala dyan po sa 30 million that was provided by BIFAR Central Office to BIFAR Region 6, where we commissioned SIFDEC for the FS, for the feasibility study. The 30 million is for the feed mill plant, which is situated in SIFDEC.
Why SIFDEC?
Because, ma'am, when It
Ba't
was
sa SIPDEC mo
conceptualized actually with
Hindi
Secretary
pinanance
Tar.
mo pa yung SIPDEC, hindi mo pinanance yung mga fishermen sa lugar nila.
But
Ba't mo sa SIPDEC itatayo? Kung gusto nila magtayo ng feed mill sa SIPDEC, sila pumasta, ba tayo? Hindi ba tong feed mill para sa ating mga fishermen to?
Yes, ma'am.
O yung SIPDEC ba nasa Tigbawan, Iloilo?
Yes po.
O.
The
Diba-
produced feeds, ma'am, will be for the
Pero
fisher-
nasa SIPDEC, ba't sa loob ng SIPDEC mo itatayo? Ba't hindi mo itinayo sa lugar ng local government? Para kanila, di ba?
Madam Chair, may we know sino nag-operate? Nag-operate at nagmamanage ng inyong feed mill?
Hindi pa po natapos po, 90%.
90%.
Mga second quarter of this year, yung expected natin na i-operationalize.
So expected natin sino mag-operate talaga? Sino hahawak?
Actually, through SIFDEC, sir.
So safe deck pa rin.
Yeah, in collaboration with BFAR for a
Collaboration.
certain period.
Di ba para sa Tigbawan, Iloilo yan? Bakit mo ibibigay sa SIPDEC?
It's not directly turned over to them, but it will be collaborated by SIFDEC and BFAR in the operation. But the beneficiaries will be the fish pond operators. The produced na feeds will be provided to the fish pond operators.
Iha, ikaw ang mag-manage together with the local government. Huwag mo ibigay sa SIPDEC kasi magulo yung SIPDEC ang magmamanage. This is for the benefit of the small fishermen, not for SIPDEC. Ba't mo ibibuild sa SIPDEC at ipamamanage mo with SIPDEC? Dapat ikaw ang mag-manage together with the local government. Katulad ng mga fish hatcheries, BFAR muna nagmamanage first 2 years, tapos tina-turn over na sa local government. Oh, hindi ganyan.
Yes po.
Tigilan mo ako, hindi ako luko-luko. Eh kasi Region 16 to, baka ganyan na naman ang gawin mo. So,
So, at saka nakalagay naman dito, it will be built in Barangay Bahit, Province of Panay.
So-
We have plenty of raw materials. And
anyway, pagtayo natin sa CAPIS, tatanggalin na natin yung feasibility study. Paamong before magbayad ng feasibility study, yung budget na ilalagay natin sa law, dadalhin lang sa feed mill yun. Para siguradong ma-build yung feed mill. So, yun. So, mag-aaway lang tayo dito. So, I'm suspending this public hearing. The technical working group will revise the bill and to make sure that when we build this feed mill, it will be for the benefit of the fishermen in Capiz. And it will be operated initially by the BFAR, but it will be turned over to the local government after the local government has learned to manage it. Yun lang. Thank you very much.
may I know when is this